Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Seema. So guys, here is a sunny weather today. So then I thought I should walk in field. Then I came here. Look here guys, what I'm eating. I'm eating top of peas leaves. Most of people like this, then I like also, so that's why I'm eating this. And guys, there was not sunshine for few days, but today is sunny weather. Then I came here and I'm enjoying here. Guys, look everywhere. Everywhere is greenery. Hmm. Everywhere greenery. So look there. Two puppies are going there. I think you can see. So they're enjoying greenery and field. Then I will go home. So guys, see sky, how nice looking. And I think you can see a tower. That is too far, but I think you can see if you want. So guys, that's all. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.